our Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, whose name is being referred in the chapter, that is Shama. Okay, and today onwards also you will be given the YouTube link in your class by 5 p.m. in the group as well, my dear. So those due to any severe reason who are not able to attend the class, they can go to the link, and the questions and the vocabulary portion I am going to tell you side by side. So you can keep on writing. Otherwise, the notes also that will be provided, so you can look up for that. So the first paragraph about we can say our narrator we had already done up. That is you can say overall the four characters. I had a discussion about you, Shama, the narrator, who is one of the neighbor of you can say Ranga, and who is the in between the disturbance is being there, so I have muted you all beta. So about the characters I was telling you, the first one character is Shama, who is obviously the narrator of the story and Ranga's neighbor as well. He is a person of well cultured behavior. Well cultured behavior means who is well affluent in the social behavior as well. Very courteous by nature, courteous rather to everyone, not even to the elders but the younger ones also. ओके, जो उससे उम्र में बड़े थे उनके साथ भी बहुत ही शिष्टाचारी था, छोटों के साथ तो वो था ही था. इन अनदर वर्ड यू कैन से he helped Ranga's marriage to be arranged in a traditional manner. So he is the sole motivator and who arranged all the arrangements of Ranga's marriage, from choosing a bride to you can say getting the marriage arranged and settled them in their marital life, you can say properly. Second character was Ratna. Now Ratna is the girl with whom Ranga was married. Next one was you can say Ranga, obviously the central character of the story, who was the son of an accountant. I told you, who returned from Bangalore after completing his education. And the last one is Shastri ji. I told you that he is the astrologer who predicted about Ranga's bride and overall motivated him to marriage. So let me start off with the chapter explanation. English and Hindi both, because of for the all types of the students in my class. So see beta, when you see this title, some of you may ask Ranga's marriage. So beta, who is saying to whom? You. You is being referred to the readers, listeners, audience in another word you can say. We people who are reading this chapter. हम लोग जो इस कहानी को पढ़ रहे हैं. So you is referred to the reader. Sometimes this can be asked. To whom you refers to? It refers to the readers. And who is saying this? Our narrator Shama is saying this. So Shama addressed to all the readers. श्यामा ने सारे कहानी पढ़ने वालों को एड्रेस किया कि that title some of you ask. If you will look out the title of the chapter, that is Ranga's marriage, some of you can ask, you can say, some of you can ask me the very title, that is Ranga's marriage. Okay, my dear. And in that case, why not Ranganatha Vivaha or Ranganatha Vijay? Well, so आप मुझसे ये सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, why I had not titled the chapter रंगनाथ विवाह और रंगनाथ विजय, कि रंगनाथ का विवाह या रंगनाथ की विजय. I had kept my title a simple and sober one, which directly indicates that we are going to read about the marriage of Ranga. दूसरे शब्दों में अगर बात करें तो कि जो कहानी है, कहानी का जो टाइटल है, मैंने इसको बड़ा ही बढ़ा चढ़ा के इन एन अडोन्ड मैनर, इन एन डेकोरेटिव मैनर मैंने क्यों नहीं रखा, इसको बड़ा सिंपल सा रखा. कहता है यस आई नो आई कुड हैव. सो हु इज आई हियर? I is Shama, narrator of the story. Could have ever used some other mouth feeling one like you can say one like Jagannatha Vijaya और गिरिजा कल्याण. So he said that कि मैंने कोई माउथ फीलिंग मतलब काफी भारी भरकम, आप कह सकते हो कि लॉन्ग एंड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, लॉन्ग एंड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आप इसको कह सकते हो. तो वो कहता है कि मैंने इसको बड़ा ही लंबा, माउथ फीलिंग लंबा और बहुत ही उलझा पुलझा डेकोरेटिव, जैसे मैंने बोला बड़े बड़े भारी भरकम शब्दों वाला क्यों नहीं रखा, जैसे कि जगन्नाथ का विजय भी हो सकता था, गिरिजा कल्याणम भी हो सकता था. सो हियर वी कैन से दैट ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द टाइटल ऑफ द चैप्टर. ओके, कहानी के शीर्षक के बारे में बात की जा रही है कि मैंने शीर्षक को बहुत ही सिंपल और सोबर क्यों रखा, इसको बड़ा ही भारी भरकम क्यों नहीं रखा. अच्छा बेटे बताइए, मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है आप सबको साइड बाय साइड? यस और नो? यस क्लास. Participants, are you okay? Okay, my dear. So let me start up with the further lines. That is what. But then this is not about Jagannatha's victory or Girija's wedding. Then he wanted to convey us the message that I am not talking about victory. Victory means जीत. ओके, कहता है कि मैं जगन्नाथ की जीत के बारे में या गिरिजा की शादी के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. इट इज अबाउट आर रंगाज मैरिज. So he tries to create an informal environment in place of creating a formal environment all around. कहता है कि मैंने कोई फॉर्मल एनवायरनमेंट आसपास क्रिएट नहीं करना है, मैंने बहुत ही इसको सिंपल सादा रखना है. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई रंगा whom I love and respect very much. So for that I need not any bombastic or even a big title even. So I'm talking about my ranga. That's why I have kept the title of the story very simple. Got it, my dear? So the next one is, you can say, and here the question also arises beta. एक क्वेश्चन बनेगा आपका, वो क्या बनेगा? Why doesn't the narrator want to give a fancy title to the story? ये पूरा आपका आएगा. And why has he opted for a sophisticated title to the story? Okay, so this will be the answer of this. Next one is that it is about a Ranga's marriage, hence no fancy title. So from here the answer starts of this question. So no decorative, no fancy title. I am talking about my Ranga's marriage, so I try to keep it very simple and sophisticated. It's about a Ranga's marriage. Hoshahalli is our village. Now he has started discussing about the village in which our narrator Shama lives. Question can be asked, write a note on Hoshahalli, or what is Hoshahalli is being referred to in the chapter. So you need to answer this, that Hoshahalli is the village name of the narrator. Hoshahalli हमारा गांव है. You must have heard of it. कहता है शायद आपने इसके बारे में जरूर सुना होगा. No. अब खुद ही देखिए उसका आंसर दे देता. कहता ना भी सुना हो. व्हाट अ पिटी. कहता है कितनी दया की बात है, कितनी ड्रास्टिक सिचुएशन है कि आपने मेरे गांव के बारे में नहीं पढ़ा. अच्छा बेटे एक चीज यहाँ पर यू मस्ट कीप इन योर माइंड that the narrator is first he talk about Ranganatha's marriage title, then he is talking about his village. So he is trying to keep the environment informal. Okay, बहुत ही simple and sober. So he tries to create a well and friendly, you can say, environment and relationship with the readers as well. जो कहानी पढ़ने वाले हैं उनके साथ वो बहुत ही सिंपल और सोबर एनवायरनमेंट रखने वाले हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही इज वेरी सिंपल इवन इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी. शुरू से ही वो अपनी कहानी को क्या कर रहे हैं, इसको कर रहे हैं. स्क्रीन पे जो भी बच्चा लिख रहा है मेरे पास अभी आई एम जस्ट